in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your microphone settings on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the search button or search menu and then just search for settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left side and then select sound over here on the right. And then you can just go down underneath input and select your microphone device listed here. This will be the one that's connected to your Dell device. If you want to adjust any of the settings, you can go through here. You can adjust the input volume, the format, the microphone test, and all the other good stuff here, as well as troubleshooting. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.